Welcome back to the channel. Real quick, ladies and gentlemen, I have this old Chrysler. It's like a 300 Intrepid, one of the old LH body cars. Okay, suspension noise. Now you can see a lot of you are aware of the old suspension problem. I see that we used to have with the tie rods. The bushings in the tie rod come apart. Now you don't necessarily have to replace the whole tie rod. Well, you can. It will come with new bushings, but I want to show y'all something that's actually obsolete. This is the bushing I used to press in back in the day, and this is the tool we used to use to remove and compress in the new bushings, which is right here. Well, ladies and gentlemen, things have changed. These are no longer available. Okay, you cannot simply take this tie rod off and press in a new bushing. This is the one I had in my toolbox. They don't sell these anymore. They discontinued. So in the aftermarket world, man, I love this tool. I will not get to use this tool again, I guess. A lot of people had a hard time getting that bushing in without this tool. So they will simply just replace the tie rod. That way you would get new bushing. Okay, now I haven't been in the aftermarket world in a while, so I don't really know what's going on, but these are now available. This is a kit. Okay, this is a tie rod in bushing kit. Okay, you're gonna get, and it's actually easier. Okay, you can just install these into the tie rods and just bolt it down and go. Real easy, ladies and gentlemen. So this will be the new way. We hardly ever see these cars, man. So we hardly ever see this kind of problem anyway. So this is the parts they got me. This is the part I'm gonna install. It should work just the same. All we're doing is installing new bushing, but it's a two-piece, so you do not even have to remove the tie rod. Okay, but I do highly recommend that you align the car when you're done. Do a front end alignment. Alright, so let me get these bushings installed. It's fairly easy. Just remove those two bolts in the center. Look like somebody already done this, and even those bushings have wore out because that's not the original bolts that go in the car. So this car has like 300-some thousand miles, so I'm sure this already been done. It's just time to do it again, that's all. So let me remove those look like 15mm bolts and install this bushing kit. All right, and then go front end alignment. Go do a front end alignment. All right, that's all I have, man. Just discussing a few issues that's going on here at the shop today on these old LH body cars Chrysler made. Love these cars, man. This one this thing has a 3.5 in it. All right, 300M. Okay, yeah, Chrysler 300M. So let me get this taken care of, and I will talk to y'all. See y'all on the next video. Thanks for watching.